Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to switch 5G off or on the Xiaomi 17T Pro. The same methodology should work on any Xiaomi, Redmi or Poco device purchased or released in 2026. Great, first things first, we need to unlock our phone, go to your settings in your menu, and in settings select mobile networks. In mobile networks you then need to select your SIM card. In my case it's SIM number 1. Make sure you select the SIM card you want this to apply to. In the SIM card settings section you have one for preferred network type. Tap on that and then you get presented with two options. One for 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G, and one with 4G, 3G and 2G. Essentially, if you want to switch 5G off, select the lower section that only has 4G, 3G and 2G. Once you've selected that, that will apply the change and 5G is off. Right then, likewise, if you want to switch 5G on and make sure it's on, swipe up, select settings. Again, select the SIM card you want this to apply to, in this case my ID Mobile SIM card, then go to preferred network type, and in this section select the one with 5G in it. So 5G, 4G, 3G and 2G is the option that gives you 5G, the other one doesn't. Once that's on, it's done. Great! Thanks for watching if you made it this far. If you have any questions, if you would like to know more, or if this isn't working for you, please do leave us a comment in the section below and we'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.